Hello guys, welcome. In this course, you will learn Python programming from basic to advanced. So, before starting this video, if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please subscribe my channel so that we can receive the notification of upcoming videos. Thank you. So, let's start the today's session, Introduction to Python. Okay. So, what is Python? So, Python is a general purpose, high level and dynamically typed programming language. It is developed by Guido van Rossum in 1991. So, what do you mean about general purpose, high level, and dynamically typed? Let's discuss one by one. General purpose means we can use Python in almost every technical fields. High level means its syntax is very similar to English, so it's very easy to understand the human. Dynamically typed means type of variable is determined only during runtime. We do not need to declare the type of variable. For example, x is equal to 10. Here we can see x can be anything such as a string, integer, double, etc. Okay, let's move to second question. Why it is called Python? So when Van Rossum started implementing Python, he was also reading the published script from Monty Python Flying Circus, a BBC comedy series. He thought he needed a name that was short, unique, and slightly mysterious. So he decided to call the language name Python. Okay, hope you understood. So let's discuss about the features of Python. There are many features in Python. We can discuss some of the features in Python here. First one is Python is very easy to learn because its syntax is very similar to English. So that is the reason developer can very easily read and write the code. Language. An interpreter converts the code written in high level language into efficient intermediate code called bytecode. The bytecode is then executed line by line, a virtual machine, to produce the output. Next one is free and open source. Python language is freely available. To download, we can go to browser and type simply www.python.org and then downloads, and you can download from there. So you no need to pay anything for software. Okay. Object oriented language. Python support object oriented style or technique of programming that encapsulate code within objects. Next one is cross platform. Python is a cross platform language. A Python program written on Windows will run on other operating system like Linux or vice versa. Next, Python is a portable language. Means if you have a Python code for Windows and want to run this code on other platform like Linux, Unix or Mac, then you can easily run on any platform. Next one is extensible features. If needed, you can write some of your Python code in other language like C++, Java. This makes Python an extensible language, means it can be extended to other languages. And last one is rich library. Python has a large standard library that provides a rich set of modules and functions, so you do not have to write your own code for every single thing. You can use existing library. Okay. Next, why should we learn Python? Because Python has become one of the most programming language in the world in recent years. So let's discuss reason why should we learn Python. Okay. First one is Python is very simple and easy to learn. Second one is Python is the most versatile coding language. Third one is learning Python will improve your job prospects. And fourth one is Python is open source and freely available to you. Hope you understood the basic concept of Python, and thanks for watching.